What happens if you don't pay taxes? Can the IRS really shut you down? The IRS just doesn't want your money. They can take your CDL, your bank account, and even shut down your business overnight. Here's what you need to know. Last week, one of my clients learned the hard way what happens when you ignore the IRS. He thought he was too small for them to notice. He was wrong. The IRS emptied his bank account the day after he paid his mortgage, leaving him with a bounce check to the mortgage company and overdraft fees. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what the IRS can really do if you don't pay your taxes, and more importantly, how to prevent it from happening to you. The reality of IRS collections. Let me be crystal clear here. The IRS isn't going to forget about you, and you can't outrun them. I've seen them go after people owing $5,000 just as aggressively as those owing $500,000. But here's what most people don't realize. They almost always strike at the worst possible moment. It's never when you have plenty of money in the bank account. It's always right after you paid your mortgage or your truck payment or your employees. And they don't just take some of your money, they take all of it. State versus federal taxes. Here's something critical that most tax pros won't tell you. If you owe both state and federal taxes, you need to handle the state first. Why? Because the state tax authorities are a lot more aggressive than the IRS will ever be. They can suspend your CDL, revoke your business license, and unlike the IRS, they can chase you forever. They have no 10-year statute. But here's the silver lining. Any payments you make to the state can actually help reduce what you have to pay to the IRS. The two secret programs. Now let me show you something that could save you thousands. There are two programs that most people don't know: the partial pay installment agreement and currently not collectible status. These programs use simple math equations to determine what you can actually afford to pay. Here's the crazy part. If you qualify, you might only have to pay a fraction of what you owe, or in some cases, nothing at all. And it's completely legal. But burying your head in the sand and pretending it's not there won't make things go away. But with the right strategy, you can protect yourself or your business. If you want to find out if you qualify for either of these programs, click the link below for a free consultation. We'll run the numbers and show you exactly what options are available to you. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week, I'm showing you exactly how to qualify for currently not collectible status and legally pay nothing to the IRS.